Today must be off-road day. Got Jeep Gladiator, Ford Bronco.
I'm here.
And this badass Silverado. There's just some trucks that are just speechless.
Yeah? Yeah?
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Think it's time to listen to that 6.2 liter LS Chevy engine. Let's do a cold start. Now, there are just some trucks that are so tastefully done, it just makes it amazing. Oh, she's wide, all right. So wide, she barely fits on the freaking alignment rack. Well, check out that stance. Z71 edition. Now, I know most people don't do reviews on trucks these days, but when there's a truck that actually catches my eye, I'm definitely going to bring it to you guys. Now, I know you guys heard it rev, but you guys haven't heard this thing accelerate. Full send, go! Ladies and gentlemen, that was a naturally aspirated Chevy LS V8. Naturally aspirated Chevy V8. Check out the interior on this thing. For being a 2017, this thing is so epic. I mean, check that out. Sierra Off-Road Edition. All leather. Check out the white and the black. This is a very sick spec. If it wasn't for the fact that I absolutely love my 21 Chevy Silverado Custom Edition 4x4, I would have definitely been a player in picking this one up, because this one, the guy who bought this got a steal. I mean, it's already lifted, it's got the rims on it. I mean, Johnny, congratulations, man. I know you're gonna enjoy it, man, because I know that you stole this thing. This was a trade-in of all things, and this guy did a lot of work to it. I definitely wouldn't trade it in for no minivan. That's just, I'm sorry, just no. Anyways, man, Johnny, enjoy it, bud. Now, of course, when you drive something like this, you got to flex on other Chevys that are lifted and think they're badass. Okay, I'm just joking. This one that we're about to go flex on, it's pretty sick. Which do you dig better, in white or in black? I don't know. Okay, we're about to have a real rev off. Between the LZ1 and the Z71. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Sorry, Johnny, I think she's got you beat, man. I will.